Sales return, correct.
Discount.
Return.
Discount received.
Discount paid. Issued.
Correct. Purchase return.
Received. Discount paid.
Depreciation. Posting.
There is lot of.
Yeah.
Background noise.
Debtors,
Someone
creditors.
Getting hectic.
Debtors, creditors.
someone is sitting middle of
Family.
his environment is not good.
Thanks, sir. There's lot of noise. Actually, the easy. So I will.
Okay. It is noise from your side?
No, sir. From there.
Uh-huh. Yeah, whoever it is, right? You don't please unmute. Okay? Yeah. Now. So understand? So now same way we have payments is there, right? Vendor payment, customer receipts. Correct? So now for all of them, do I want to have a common series or different series?
Different series.
So what is the advantage of having different series? As soon as I see the number, I know what it is.
We can identify it very quickly.
Yes, exactly. So what SAP has done is, SAP identified 51 transaction types that can be used for a business. For every transaction type, it is asking you to put the number series separately, so that you are comfortable in future. Is it clear?
Yes.
Sir.
So OBS 7, what I am talking about here, OBS 7 we have now. So if you go to OBS 7/N, OBA 7, if you go to OBS 7, here you see these are all the document type and transaction type. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
How many are there?
51.
Got it? So how many are there? All these are. You see now here you see background noise again. Customer invoice, customer payment, customer document, customer recurring entry, customer invoice, customer credit memo, right? Like that.
Yes.
Is it clear? Yeah. So there are so many document types. Transactions it has identified. It's a depreciation posting, asset posting, correct? Correct, like that. So SAP has identified how many document type, how many transaction types?
51.
Should we remind all this, sir?
No need to remember. We just give the number range. Okay. Right. So what we have to do now? For each transaction type, we have to give the number range, right?
Yes.
We have to give or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is what is the step here. Yeah, that is what is the step. So first number, so we are not giving the number range for all the document types now, only for GL document type. What is my GL document type here?
SCA and SB.
This is the GL document. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the GL. Okay? This is the GL. Okay? So only for GL document type we are giving for now, because next topic is GL only. Understand? Our next topic is GL. So that's why we are giving for GL only.
Same of vendor payments you can create again.
Again,
Correct.
right? In future, when we are ready for accounts payables, at that time I will give for that. Understand? So one by one we will be giving the number ranges whenever we need. Is it clear? So right now we are, next topic is GL. Now for GL we are creating. Only for GL we are creating. Is it clear?
For account maintenance,
KP, KP type, every time it will be KP type, sir.
So don't bother about other things. Right now focus on the GL. Next topic is GL, right? So for GL I need a number range, right? When I want to post in GL, I need a number range, right? That's why I am creating for GL. Okay?
Sir, what is the difference between SA and SB? GL account document and posting.
Yeah. So this posting means other things. Right, so just clearances, those kind of things will come under SD. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. So between our account to our account, not external kind of, yeah, internal adjustments, entries, whatever is there, that will come under. Just we are posting, right? We are not creating a document. Okay. Okay. So now what it is? Oh.
Essay document.
Yeah, essay document we are creating. Okay. Now. So now you click on the essay here. Click on the essay here. Now you click on, so this is essay GL document 01 number series, you see here. Then you click on the number range information. Okay, then you give the company code. What is the company code? Okay, change interval and insert interval. And what is the number we give here? 01 year 2021. From number 1000 to whatever 109. This is the series I am giving. Okay? No, I'll tell you once again. This is little tricky step. I want you to note down how we are doing. Okay? So I am not saving now. I will show you again. Okay? So close this. So you go like this. Action OBA 7. You go like. Okay? Action OBA 7.
Then go to SCA.
Then go to position essay document, that is essay means what? GL document. Then you click on the essay document. Click on the essay document. Now you see for essay GL document 01 SAP recommended the series also. SAP is saying you better start this series with one series.
How you need to note down, sir? Everything is.
Always number range is only one, sir.
Yeah, so SAP recommended one is 01.
So we can't edit or change it.
You can edit it. You can use some other number series like this. Yeah, but it is not correct. Use 01 only. Right? That is the standard. Everybody will follow it. Correct? It is always better to go with the standard. Okay? It is always better to go with the standard rather than going against the standard. Yes.
So what is reverse document type?
Reverse means if I reverse this document, what is the document type I will get? Correct? Suppose I posted a wrong entry and reversed it. Then what is the document type I will get? That is the AP document. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, done everybody?
Yes,
So
sir.
now here I will click on the number range information. Okay, company code, what is our company code?
T.
DE. I give like this. Okay, next you click on the change.
Sir, look, sir, one.
Click on the change interval.
Okay, sir.
Then you click on the insert interval. Okay, click on the insert interval. Insert interval. Then you give here 01. Here you give 2021. Okay, from number 1000 to 109. Okay? Okay, clear everybody?
Current number not mandatory, sir.
Current number will come automatically. What do you mean by current number?
Present transaction.
Present. If you post, it will update.
Okay, sir.
Understand? It will automatically update the current number. So is it clear everybody?
Sir.
So again, shall I show you again or are you comfortable?
We are comfortable.
Okay.
Enter or save?
Correct?
We have to remain all the T codes for this 21 steps, sir.
Yeah, you better, you should have. So when you practice, you will get them automatically.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
In the beginning, it will be a little difficult, but later on, you will be comfortable.
Okay, sir.
Sir, if we have the code patient, we need to create number.
For every company code, you have to create separate. Correct.
This is the practice. This is the practice server. You mentioned in SCA all account types.
In SA,
This is the practice server. Then you certain account types, GL account, account types. In real time also we do we same like that.
where in step number 9 or step number 10?
No, sir. This step. Step number 10. When
Yeah,
Here,
real time also SEO.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah. So for this essay document, usually all account types will be allowed. Why? Because this GL is a big ledger. Yeah. So the transactions from all these subledgers will be coming into GL. Okay. Yeah. So that's why all these account types are allowed, because the data will be coming in from all these account types into GL. Okay, you will understand it.
So in real time, we should create everything, right?
In real time, see, in real time also all this will be there. Already.
Not like this, sir. Previous page, GSA account payable.
Actually,
All these are there. All these are already
We
there.
have to create it starting that, like, we have to create number.
Everything is already there. Yeah. So however, whatever I am showing, same thing will be there already available.
Creating new one, sir.
Why you will create, right? But these are more than enough.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So whatever we are doing, same thing only we will do in real time also, right? So what we are discussing is real time only, right? There is nothing different in real time. So right, do not think that real time is different than real time, right? This is the real time only. Okay, what we are doing, the same thing we will do in real time. Okay?
Sir, these types and all will be created by SAP only?
Yes, already pre-provided in the standard software, right? So they have provided all this.
Okay.
Right? They are already provided this, which only you have to use. You just use it. That's it.
Okay. Based on based on these types itself only, companies will be following. Right.
Yes. When they are posting one of the transactions, they may be used. Any one of them.
Okay. Yeah.
Correct?
Will they get a...
Year we are given 2021, right? Next year again we need to change it to 2022.
Yes. Next year you have to carry forward the number range to next year.
And we need to change if it is required. Number ranges also.
So the same number range we will use generally. We don't need to change the number range separately.
Will we get any training after hiring, sir?
Training after hiring, so they expect it. So if you are talking about fresher, you will get training. Experience, you are expected to work straight away.
Okay, sir.
Sir, also just go back screen, sir.
Okay, so here we are not doing anything. Just click on this. Click on the number range information, company code. Give the change interval, insert interval. Then we give the number like this, 01, year 2021, from number 1000 to 1099. We have.
Sir, also why not one followed by 9?
Yeah, 1 followed by 9 means you are blocking a big number series. Now other transactions you will not have the place.
Okay.
Correct? You can give like this also, right? You can give like this also. But what is the problem if I give like this?
Then there will be no chance to
So only one document you are giving full series.
Okay.
Then what about other transactions? Understood the point?
Yes, sir.
Understood the logic? So we want to leave space for other documents also. That's all. Okay? Good. So okay, we'll stop here for today.
Yesterday show me the points in the
Yesterday 7 and 8 we discussed, right? Simple, that I discussed again today.
Yes, sir. If you show me the sir, I will take a screenshot of it.
Okay, 1 minute. 7 and 8.
Yes.
Okay?
Sir,
Scroll down, sir. Yes.
transfer to fast track that, sir.
You want to transfer to fast track that, huh?
Yes, sir.
Speak to admin, they will guide it how to do. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, then thank you everybody. We will I have an announcement here. Tomorrow there is no session. Sorry. Saturday you will have the same time. Yeah. Saturday 7:30. You have the same session. Instead of tomorrow, you will have the class on Saturday, right? So tomorrow there is no class. Saturday evening 7:30 you have the class. Yes.
Okay, sir.
No confusion. Yes.
Once after completion of the implementation project, will we give anything to the client? This is the thing you are going to do after completion of the month, after completion of the Will we give anything like that, sir?
See, after completion of the project, our work is not over. We are
Then support is also
support them. Support will continue, right?
Okay, thank you.
So the
Sir,
life of the company, support will continue.
In the middle, we will be given any projects to do on our own.
Where here in training,
Yeah, yes, sir.
yeah, once you reach to certain level, you should reach to certain level. Yeah.
Okay.
Then-
Then we will be given, sir.
Okay. Right then, thank you guys. We will meet on Saturday 7:30. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right, sir.
Good night, sir.
Right.